Hi, this is Edwin from CatNotes. This is the first part of our Dynamo tutorial. In this part, we are going to talk about how you can access Dynamo from Revit and how you can create a very simple script in Dynamo. Before we start, you need to open a Revit file. The reason why you need to open a Revit file is so Dynamo can understand where the script should works. If you open this file, then Dynamo will work on this file. So after you open a file, you can access Dynamo from the Manage tab, Visual Programming panel, and here you can click Dynamo. Okay, so this is the Dynamo window. The first thing that you see is the start page where you can access the new file, open uh, open a file in your hard drive, or you can access the recent Dynamo script that you've been working on. For this first part, let's just create a new script. We can see that here the interface is quite standard. We can see the menu on the top side of this window. We can see that we have menu for file, edit, settings. So it's very common for Windows application. This is the workspace where we can create a Dynamo script, and also the preview window when you are working with Dynamo geometry. uh, we will cover about this later, and on the left side we have the Dynamo library. This is the core of Dynamo. All Dynamo uh, nodes are stored here and categorized uh, with different category. You can see that here we have a category for geometry. We have subcategory for geometry as curves. We have another subcategory like arcs. So, and this is the nodes. We can see that there is a preview on the tooltip saying that what is this dialog for, and let's just create a simple Dynamo script. Let's say that I want to add two numbers. So I can find the tools under math category, operators, and let's just use add, the plus sign. So here we can see that this is the Dynamo node. It has ports on the left side and also ports on the right side. The ports on the left side is for input. So it basically acts as if you can provide X value and Y value. And on the right side, it will provide the result. So let's add two numbers. I'm going to add input, basic, and we provide the number. Okay, let's just create another one first. Okay, so you can see that for number number node, we only have one port on the right side. It means that it it's not it doesn't require an input, but it provides output for another node. So you can connect two nodes using a wire. So you want to provide the number to this X port. You can connect them by clicking this port to this port. We call this wire. Wire connects ports from output to input. we can also see that here is the wire. Okay, let's change this to 4 and this one is to 5. You can see the result here. If you hover above this node, you can see the result under the node. Let's spin this so you can see what will happen. Okay, let's change this to 7. We can see that it's immediately changed to 12. This is because the script is running automatically. Every time we make changes, it will update immediately. If you have a very complex script, then it's not wise to use automatic execution. It's better to change this to manual execution. It means that when we change this to 3, you can see that the value is not is still 14, and you can also change this to 8. You can see the value is not changing. You need to click run to execute this this script. You can see now that it's changed to 11. Let's change this again and click run. Okay, so this is the first part of Dynamo tutorial, just to get you understand about accessing Dynamo and creating script using a simple nodes. We will create script that interacts to Revit elements directly in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.